Talk to me.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is lachelletrends, and in today's video I'm coming to you with another wig review slash install on this unit you see me wearing right here. This unit was sent to me from Bobbi Boss. I will have Bobbi Boss linked in the description box below, and some of you may already know that Bobbi Boss's website is just a show website of where you can just go on there and see what units they have, but you ultimately need to go to your local beauty supply store and or your online store to get this unit. So I will have some online stores linked of where you can find this unit at. As well, you guys, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. As well, sis, hit that notification bell because I post weekly. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, sis, so again, I received this unit from Bobbi Boss themselves, so you already know it's going to be a Bobbi Boss unit. So here the unit is. So let's go ahead and open her up. I already see that it says Glueless, and Glueless excites me because it's so easy and I know I don't have to do a lot of work. Girl, okay, let me try to get this out. Girl, okay, like I'm getting excited because I never had a pink unit before. So okay, girl, get into this color. Come through, pink. Okay, so let's see what we are working with. Again, I already told you guys that this is a glueless unit. It says it's a 13x7 lace. Well, hold on, let's go back. The style is Domicia, MLF 603. The color is TT1B Rose Pink. And y'all, I just put the rose. It really says RO.pink, and I'm just saying that it's rose pink. So that's what we're gonna go with. That is rose pink. That only makes sense. So yeah, again, it has a 13x7 lace. It's HD, glueless wear, flawless, free parting space, natural baby hairs, and secure with an elastic band. It comes pre-plucked with realistic density, and it's curling iron safe. Of course, it doesn't say to what temperature, but we all know 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and probably the lowest setting is best so you don't burn the unit. But anyway, it has a midi fresh, safe and clean cap, and that's supposed to be advanced protection against pathogens and UV rays, antibacterial, is breathable, ultra hygienic. Girl, they got so many words. But yeah, sis, let me show you guys the stock card. And then this is the back that shows all the colors and stuff that they have. And girl, let's get into this unit. First of all, the color is bomb. It's pink. And then, oh, and it's like ombre, so you have dark roots or whatever. At first I thought I seen, well, I do, it's like some white pieces. I thought I saw gray, but it is like some white pieces in there. Let me just slow it down and just do like a little 360. Okay, so let's get into this parting space. Again, this is a 13x7 parting space. I can already feel the elastic band, but we have two combs, one on either side. Is there a comb in the middle? It is. There's a comb in the middle, a comb at the bottom. Of course, you have the adjustable straps. And then you have the elastic band, which is not optional. You have to keep this elastic band on. It is adjustable, which I love an adjustable elastic band because, sis, we already know your girl has a big head. So this is very nice that it has this on here. And yeah, let me look. So it looks like the parting space on the sides are about an inch. And then your parting space is really in the middle. So I just want to show that before I put it on. But yeah, girl, let's go ahead and put her on. So I'm starting off by tinting my lace using my Sally Hansen leg spray, and then after I go ahead and spray it down, I'm going to then blow dry it just to seal it in. And look at this hairline. Like, I'm just taking it all in because it looks really good. But anyways, I'm going to lay my wig using my Got To Be glue free spray, and then I'm going to again use my blow dryer to seal the spray in. So now I'm going to take some powder, and this is my Black Radiance setting, or not setting, this is my Black Radiance contour palette in the color medium dark, and I'm just using this to better tint my lace. And then after I do that, I'm going to go back in with the Got To Be glue free spray and blow dry it in after I spray it. You already know this just creates the perfect melt, sis. Girl, this hairline looks so good. Like, get into it. With Bobbi Boss's glueless units, their hairline always looks super good, sis. But anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the parting space is looking like, and yeah. Okay sis, so now we're going to start styling this unit, and since the hairline looks so good, we're going to do a half up half down hairstyle. So as you can see, I'm just pretty much parting it and trying to get as close to the side as possible because there is a track on the side. So yeah, that's why the part is slanted. So now we're going to go ahead and take out our baby hairs and get those situated. Now that we got our baby hairs out the way, we're going to go ahead and start to mold our ponytail, and I'll be using my Got To Be glue free spray, and I'm just going to spray that around the ponytail and then use my hot comb to better mold it and lay down the hair. Now I'm going to take a piece of hair out of the ponytail and use that to wrap around the ponytail holder, and this just makes a seamless look. Now we're gonna go ahead and begin to finish styling our baby hairs. We're gonna cut them and then I'm gonna curl them up with my little curling iron. And then after that, I'll be using my Got To Be Glue Free Spray to lay them down. So now I'm going to take down the back of the hair and I'm going to style up the sides. I'm going to get some more Got To Be Glue Free Spray going on, and we're going to spray those sides down and go in with our hot comb. This step is totally optional, but I just choose to do it just to make it look a little better. So lastly, we're going to get these curls popping with this oil sheen. I'm going to spray the oil sheen in my hand and just run it throughout the hair. This is just going to soften up the hair as well as just help me separate the curls. Okay, sis, so here is what we are looking like, and honey, I think we are looking really cute. I'm not gonna lie, your girl was a little bit nervous. Now, I'm not a stranger to color, but I've never had pink, so I was just on the nervous side, but I think it turns out really good. I think it looks really good. I think the color is a lot lighter in person than it is on camera, so I'm really liking this rose gold pink, like, girl. But anyway, sis, let me go ahead and turn around so you can see the back. Okay, sis, so that was the back. So let's go ahead and get into these details. So first and foremost, it is big head friendly. I did not struggle to put this unit on. It fit perfectly over my big old head, and I did utilize the adjustable elastic band, so I did loosen that up a little bit, and girl, it fit perfectly. The texture of this hair is just in between coarse and soft. Like, it's not too coarse and it's not too soft. It literally is really in between. You can run your fingers through it, however you will receive some snags and some tangles as well as shedding, and I think you receive the shedding because of the color, given that it has like some light pieces. I don't want to say they're white, but then I want to say they're gray. So it's in between white and gray. Whatever it is lighter pieces of hair in between with the pink. So just with all of that color mixture, you will receive shedding with this unit, and it's not that bad, but it is some shedding. When I was running my fingers through putting the oil sheen, I did get maybe a handball. It's right here, maybe like a handball, a handful of hair. Not really a handful, but you know, if you could see it, you could see it. But yeah, you will receive some shedding with that. But I mean, you guys, it's really thick hair. It's really long. So with long, thick hair, you kind of expect it to have some shedding and some tangling. The oil sheen really softens it up. So I would recommend putting oil sheen on it just to soften up the hair and make it a little bit, you know, softer, of course. So yeah, that always works. I think that with the length of this hair, I think the longevity of this unit is probably 2 weeks. Just give and take. If you take care of it and, you know, do what you got to do to maintain it, it can last 2 weeks. But like I say, shorter hair always lasts longer with synthetic units than longer units. And then given the curl pattern of this hair, you guys you're going to receive some more tangling and you're going to receive some more shedding without a doubt. But I mean, it just is what it is. It's the nature of synthetic wigs that come in this length and thickness. So yes, sis, the lace, girl, the lace melted so nicely. Now let me say this, Bobbi Boss has some very good glueless units. Even though with glueless units I like to literally just make them glueless, I already knew that with Bobbi Boss they make really good glueless units. They come pre-plucked. The hairline, the lace, everything is always so nice. I'm like, sis, utilize this and do a half up, half down, because you cannot always do a half up, half down with every synthetic unit, because some don't come pre-plucked like this unit as well. You know, they're just a thicker hairline. So I just wanted to take advantage of that and do a half up, half down. Normally, again, on glueless units, sis, I literally make them glueless because less work for me. But girl, do you see the hairline? The hairline is bomb. The plucking is bomb. The lace is bomb. Like, girl, I didn't even add any more powder off camera, which I probably should, but I kind of just forgot because it looks so good. Now I don't know how it looks on camera, but in person, sis, we are melted, honey. We are melted. So girl, it's just really bomb. It looks really good to me. And yeah, girl, again, this unit should last you 2 weeks with good care. If you have really good care, it could last you longer. And with shorter units, you guys, I like to trim them. So maybe each week I'll trim a little bit off, and it just gives the wig life. So that's like my secret to keeping long synthetic wigs looking good. So yeah, girl, I'll go ahead and link this down below if you want to get your hands on it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.